Meet the world's tallest residential building, the Central Park Tower. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the Central Park Tower. The Central Park Tower is the tallest residential building in the world and has overtaken the 432 Park Avenue condominiums, which was once the tallest residential building with a height of 1,396 feet or 425.5 meters high. The Central Park Tower, which is located in the United States, is now standing at a whopping height of 1,549 feet or 472 meters high, and it contains 131 floors. Now take note, this is the tallest residential buildings in the world, not the tallest commercial buildings in the world or the tallest building in the world. The tallest building in the world still remains the Burj Khalifa, which is located in UAE, Dubai, with 163 floors and a whopping height of 2,717 feet or 828 meters, almost close to 1 kilometer high. Astonishing. So back to the Central Park Towers. The Central Park Tower may be the most expensive condo project ever, with up to $4 billion worth of apartments to be sold. The building 179 apartments starts at $7 million for a 2-bedroom, while for the top penthouse, this may likely increase to 9 figures. At nearly 1,400 feet, looking down from the Central Park Towers, cars and trucks will turn to toys, while people will turn to dots because of the incredible height of the building. For most regular residential buildings where you can stare at brick walls, garbage, nearby streets, or other people's windows, but for the Central Park Tower, you stare at sunrises and sunsets. You stare at the beautiful views of the ocean. You stare at bridges and mountains. You can see the difference. The Central Park Tower is not just a new building, it is a statement. The building has all the amenities you would expect from such an expensive tower. A pool, both indoors and outdoors, a gym, a spa, restaurants, etc. A company which is well known for building elevators, Otis Elevator. This company developed a special high-speed elevator that goes 2,000 feet per minute, which can take you up to 131 floors in a minute and a half. Incredible. To keep the tower from swaying during high wind storms, engineers created an elaborate cantilevers and aerodynamic opening which reduce the impact of the wind pressure on the building. A system also used when designing airplanes. There is also a huge waiting system on the roof. Now, what is also fascinating about the Central Park Tower is not just the views and the height alone, but the actual rooms inside the apartment. Such a beauty. Estate Development, the developer of the Central Park Tower, estimates that the building will be completed in the late 2020 or early 2021, which will allow buyers to start closing in. So, whoever buys an apartment in the Central Park Tower will definitely get the satisfaction of living in the world highest apartment looking down on the most expensive. For some billionaires out there, this is definitely going to be worth the price. So this is the Central Park Tower, the world's tallest residential building. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, consider subscribing to the channel Inno Tutorial, because this is where we discuss anything related to construction, buildings, and civil engineering topics in general. So subscribe if you want to see more of this type of videos. Don't forget to also share the videos and the channel to friends. With that being said, I love you all. God bless you. Bye bye.